Hey warriors, how's it going? This week we are doing an at-home workout with all this equipment behind me. This wonderful equipment was given to me by Emerging Green, a new company that is using renewable resources and green strategies to bring you products. Back here we have a jump rope, some push-up handles, a band, and an ab wheel that even came with this awesome little mat for your knees. I was so excited to see that. That was such a nice little addition. So before we get into the workout, they asked me to do a little review. It's very plain and simple. The only thing I didn't really like from this was the band. The band was a little difficult, moved around too much. It didn't offer enough tension or variety so that we could use it more. I really liked the length of the jump rope. You guys, I'm almost 5'11". I'm just under, like literally about this much. Having a jump rope this long enough for me is like, oh. So finding a jump rope and receiving a jump rope that was great in length, and I didn't whip myself. I was so excited. It's been years since I've jump roped, so that was great. Our ab wheel here, you guys, the ab wheel was great. Even my partner used it. He loved it. He loved that the wheel was thick enough that he could do his obliques as well. He's 5'7" and 230 pounds of muscle. So it's strong, it's sturdy. It's got better traction than one of those little plastic ones, right? It's really good. So far, I would definitely say this kit is worth buying. If you are gonna buy it, maybe buy some extra bands for yourself, some mini bands or super bands. The push-up handles, freaking great, man. Used them for mountain climbers, I used them for push-ups. They did wonderful. Help support the wrist, keep the wrist neutral. This is a great way for beginners, or even to advance yourself a little bit more and give yourself a little more challenge with some time under tension on these. So without further ado, grab your mat, grab some water, grab some shoes, grab your equipment, and let's go.
Don't stop. Don't